Guys, welcome to another episode of MNK Outdoors. I'm Mike.
I'm Kaylee.
We're coming to you live from the 2020 Atlantic City Boat Show. We got a lot of great footage in store for you. You see the shirt Kaylee's wearing. Kaylee met the crew from the Fish Mavericks TV show. Great bunch of guys. We also met some great vendors. Got to see a lot of cool boats. We hope you like it. We hope you like our new logo that was in the beginning of our video. It's a new logo thanks to my buddy Bill at work. We hope you enjoy this video.
Shout out to him.
And also Grandpa.
What's going on, guys? We're at the 2020 Atlantic City Boat Show. We're about to meet the Fish Mavericks from the Fish Mavericks TV show. Fish Circus fishing team. There's Dave. There he is. He's over here. I saw Chunky. Come on. All right, there's the captain, Dave Chunky. See 2020 Bentley 220 Navigator 37.6. Not a bad price. Now this 37.6. This is nice. Great for families. Great for Kaylee driving. Come up here. Everybody in MNK Outdoors, this is my dad, Benny. Say hi, Dad. This is the man that taught me everything I know how to fish. And I passed that on to my little girl.
Yep.
Excellent fisherman here. He taught me everything I know.
Thank you. Thank you. You're a good learner.
M&K Outdoors is about family fishing, family fun, enjoying the outdoors as a family.
This is a party wagon.
It's definitely a party wagon.
Party wagon. It's like a limousine on water.
Hey, Kay. Kaylee's still psyched for meeting the Fish Mavericks crew. Check them out on TV. Fish Mavericks TV show. Look it up. Great bunch of guys. Awesome fishing. Check them out. What's going on, guys? We're at the 2020 Atlantic City Boat Show. We're at the M3 tackle booth. Awesome tackle, poles, shirts, bunker spoons. We're going to show you around a little bit, and then we're going to meet the owner of M3 Tackle. Definitely look these guys up. Definitely look these guys up. And this is Ryan.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Ryan from M3. I'm one of the owners. This is our booth layout here. We got all our new products, our new rods, our bunker spoons. We got all our fluke bucket, bunker bucket buddies. We're like the tackle storage headquarters of the game. We also have our fluke spoons, our new high-lows. We got all sorts of new products. Our snagless are back in stock, everything. Come see us down here. Come see us at the Edison show. We'll also be at RISA show in Rhode Island. And really appreciate you guys for letting us come on your platform to talk to you, all your audience.
Ryan, what's your website and your social media? Let everybody know.
So our website's m3tackle.com and Facebook is M3 Tackle, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google. We're pretty much on all the platforms. You can find us anywhere.
Thanks so much, Ryan. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Check M3 Tackle out. Great stuff.
I'm going to let her pick one for free.
All right, guys. So we are at Sea Fox. This is the boat I eventually want to get, hopefully this season. It's the 2020 Sea Fox 206 Commander. Center console. And we're going to take you aboard because this is the boat that I hope to purchase this season. 150 Yamaha. Kaylee over there. Come around to the front. Seats, storage, nothing crazy. Take it out on the bay. This boat is perfect for our family and for our needs with the fishing that we like to do. Kaylee definitely could drive this boat, right? Hopefully this year, guys.
Okay, here we are. MNK Outdoors. Experience a real feel about reeling in the big boys. Here's my granddaughter Kelly. I'm gonna show how it's done. Go, Kelly. Got a big daddy. And we're choosing dolphin. Ladies and gentlemen, this is M&K Outdoors. Little fun at the Atlantic City Boat Show. Here we go.
Left hand up here. Keep both hands on the rod, just like that.
I'm so nervous.
It's not a back. Take it down and close your eye.
Here we go. MK Outdoors, getting the experience about the big fish, what it feels to catch a big fish.
Keep both hands on that rod. Let it run. Hold on.
Yes, yes. Go, Kelly. You can bring it in, baby.
As soon as you feel it pulling back, grab that rod with both hands.
Good job, Kay.
Grab the rod. Both hands on the rod. That's right.
Real close score.
Keep the line high enough so you don't shake that tail.
It's close, okay?
Hang on to that pole, Kay. Atta girl. Atta girl.
You're with it. My girl.
Folks are scared. You're gonna run. Try to
Great job, great job. Here we go. Great job.
keep your tip up. Keep your tip up. All right, really good. Really good.
All right, folks.
All right, ease him up to the boat. Nice and easy. You got him down. Good contact.
Good catch, Kelly. Mike, good job.
Back and forth.
Thank you, everybody. MK Outdoors. Great day.
We're at the 2020 Atlantic City Boat Show. We're looking at a Nautic Star 23-footer, the 2302 Legacy Series. 67,000, which is not too bad for this type of boat. Kaylee at the helm, okay? What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Kaylee's psyched. Kaylee's having a great day. Kaylee and me, we met the Fish Mavericks from the Fish Mavericks TV show. So that made Kaylee's day.
Go on and watch their.
Watch the Fish Mavericks.
This boat's awesome.
Beautiful boat. Beautiful boat.
You see even seats back here.
Beautiful center console.
Oh look, there's a cooler.
What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We had a great time at the 2020 Atlantic City Boat Show. A couple special thanks. First to the Fish Maverick guys, Fish Circus fishing team, doing Jersey proud. Check out their new season, upcoming season 4. Thanks to M3 Tackle. Great tackle company. Check them out online and on social media. We hope you enjoyed it. We got some great things coming for you guys. We got an upcoming charter boat striped bass fishing trip. Kaylee's first charter boat trip. We hoping she hooks into a monster. We also just got our shellfish license, so we're going to be going clamming real soon for you guys. We're going to be doing a clamming video as well. So stay tuned. We appreciate all our new subscribers. We just started this month, and we're slowly creeping up. For all our new subscribers, we really appreciate it. We thank you for sticking by. And Kaylee, what do you got to say?
Like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video.
Thanks, guys, for watching M&K Outdoors. See you in the next one.